I got a 2024 60-inch bad boy lawnmower. I like it. Does the job. We about to go cut this grass around the house, and it's usually a 2-day project. Takes me around 5 or 6 hours, so I'll let y'all in on a little bit of that. Got to fill her up first. I love this little pump. Probably a $50–$60 pump, I think, but it works good. I like it. What y'all doing? Y'all come on. I guess they're nervous because I got that tractor out over there. About to go play around on the tractor for a little bit and cut grass. Well, here's the garden. Not very pretty. This is a new spot. 2 years ago, this was big pine trees, 25-year-old pines. So I'm trying to make a new spot out here. There's my dove field. I don't know, it's got a bunch of weeds out here. I need to get the hoeing. But for now, I'm gonna run this disc around and clean up out here a little bit. Show y'all what it looks like. I got corn, squash, collards. Got a row of collards and 2 rows of okra over there. The deer's been hammering that okra pretty good. Well, it's a little cleaner this time. Got Pops over here with the bush hog. Doing a little bush hogging as it rains. Cleaned it up a little bit. We're gonna get there. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this corn. It's free for all. Well, got caught in that flood for the 4th time today. Maybe to slack off here in a little bit. I'm finished up. Gotta keep these fire breaks up. I got my crew with me today. I'm hoping to keep all of them up with my tractor and disc instead of having to get a bulldozer back out here, so maybe I'll stay on top of it. And it's starting to rain again, so. Got longleaf pines over here in this section. If you look, this splits it. Here's my garden, my dove field, and then the rest of the 40 acres off of that ridge there. And yeah, it's raining. Had a little storm come through a few days ago. Knocked the top out of this oak tree. Took down my old cedar tree that I left standing. So I guess I need to clean them up. Knocked a pin out of that. That's nice. Yeah, see if I can find it down in there somewhere. Well, couldn't find it. I looked everywhere over here on the ground. I couldn't find it anywhere, so old zip tie's gonna have to work for now. That's why you always need your little toolbox with all kind of extras in it. You never know what you may run into. Good spot. Alright, here's the next victim on the list. OC tree, see if we can't get this thing up. Better put it in low. Thing got a little weight to it. Get it out here in the yard so I can do something with it. Y'all got any ideas of what I need to do with this thing? I want to try to cut that wood up and save it and use it for something. I don't know if it's big enough for shelves though. Get over here and take a little closer look at it. I don't know, let's see how big it is. Pretty good size. Let me know what y'all think. And at the end of the day, we gotta fix what we tore up. And in this case, I'm putting a cotter pin in here. So, I ain't got to worry with that same issue happening, popping out on me. That right there, I'll do the trick. See y'all on the next video. Oh, and the next one's gonna be smoking a little brisket on the pit boss. We'll see y'all.